Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix Meta Quest 3 minus not loading. Before starting the video, let's see when should you troubleshoot. Home universal menu stay blank or menus not loading or would not open. User interface freeze or become unresponsive. Apps would not open or crash immediately. Recent update may have cross glitches. Headset responds but interface does not. Let's see the step-by-step guide for this issue. Step 1. Power cycle. Hold the power button and choose restart. If frozen, hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the headset restart. Step 2. Chat menu. After robot, open the universal menu, test home and quick setting to see if menus not load correctly. The next step is chat connection. Confirm Wi-Fi is connected and stable. Avoid captive portals. Next we have update quest. Open quick setting, click settings and go to the system and select software update. Install any available update and restart. Step 5. Chat shortage or storage. Open setting and click storage. Free space if storage is nearly full, then restart the headset. Next we need to understand factory reset and last resort. Backups into what you need and use the headset recovery and reset procedure. Erase local data and require setup again. Now let's move to the next step, step 7. Setup and test. Sign in back into your Meta account, reconnect Wi-Fi and pair controller, then simply reinstall app as needed and test the minus. You can also check the what does each fix do, important notes, troubleshooting tips, and after the fix. For additional information, future references, and helpful guidance. If you want more help, you can simply go to their official website for more customer support and help. Here are their official website. You can simply go to their support section and ask Meta AI for any assistance or question or anything. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.